Nurses are the heart of healthcare, and at Robeson Community College, you can become a registered nurse in just 2 years. Let's go discover more. We're here inside the nursing lab and classroom. This is Missy Britt. She's the Associate Director of the program, here to tell us more about the Associate Degree Nursing program.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell us, what types of things do students learn while they're in the program?
Well, the most important thing that they learn while they're in the Associate Degree Nursing program is how to take care of patients. Our focus is truly on safe, quality patient care. As you can see behind me, the students, they learn all types of skills, from vital signs to starting IVs to Foley catheters, a whole gamut of how to take care of patients.
And how does this differ from, say, a university?
With our students, it's more fast-paced because it is an associate degree and not a 4-year degree, so it only takes them 2 years, so it's a lot more fast-paced. And with the associate degree nursing program, they get a lot more hands-on, so we're actually in the clinical facilities a lot more than universities are.
Well, that's exciting. And what is the pay grade like once they graduate from this program, and what's the job outlook?
The job outlook is vast for nursing. Nurses can go anywhere this day and time, from clinics to hospitals to dialysis to home health. And right now, these individuals will graduate in May, and they are looking at about an average of a $30 an hour starting pay.
Wow. Well, how do I get started in this career path? You know, nursing is in demand. So how do I get started, and what are the requirements?
The very first thing you have to do is apply to Robeson Community College. So we're going to put that in there first. And then once you start or apply to Robeson Community College, then you would take your what we call prerequisites. So you're looking at your A&P 1, your A&P 2, English 1 and English 2. Once you get those out of the way, because those are prerequisites to the program, and of course a certified nursing assistant as well, then you can actually apply to the nursing program. Our associate degree program admits students every August, and applications are typically due in May. So as soon as we get them, we start admitting our new cohort.
So after I complete the program, what opportunities exist? Can I just go straight into the workforce?
You can go straight into the workforce, and because the associate degree nursing program is actually nationally accredited through the NLN-CNEA, you're actually also eligible for federal jobs. But if you want to continue your education, which I always encourage my students to do, you can go into a 4-year university, get your bachelor's degree, and then you can go on to master's, and you can actually go on to your doctorate in nursing as well.
Well, I know we talked about nursing is in demand, but there's also a nursing shortage. So what would you say to someone out there that's considering a future in nursing?
I would say go for it, especially if you have a passion for education like I do. There's a nursing faculty shortage, and we can't produce nurses if we don't have the faculty to do so. So I say go for it. It is the best of both worlds. I still get to practice in hospital facility, take care of patients, but I also get to use my passion, which is nursing, and help others become a nurse.
All right, well, Robeson Community College is the place to get your degree. Let's hear a testimonial from one of your students. I'm here with Summer Locklear. She is a soon-to-be graduate of the nursing program. Summer, how has the Associate Nursing Degree program helped you achieve your goals?
Robeson Community College 8-year program has helped me achieve my goals by supplemental instruction, such as after class we go over the topics that will be on our exam to be successful in passing our test. We go over next-gen questions, extended questions. They've also helped me achieve my goals by being helpful in clinical, being a guide in clinical, and as well as our new goal that we just implemented was getting partial credit on our test. So that helps us to be successful on our exams to reach NCLEX to be able to graduate.
So what are your plans for the future?
My ultimate goal is to be a clinical coordinator registered nurse.
And then what would you say to someone considering a career in nursing?
I would consider to never forget your why. Just have that compassion, because nursing is a work of art, and it takes a compassionate person to be a good nurse.
Aw. Well, thank you, Summer. Good luck to you, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time on the Carolina Beat.